Hey guys, let's talk maintenance. Sean Profera here with Mac Papers and Packaging for another Mac Knows. When it comes to maintenance, it's very important. It might be weekly, it might be daily, it might be monthly. There might be a various few different types of procedures depending on the type of piece of equipment. But minimizing that downtime is extremely important, especially for something that's making you money. And this might only take a few minutes a day or again weekly. That's really going to save you money in time or downtime. So just running through simple procedures, taking off covers that are typically color-coded with different types of hardware so you know whether that's a spot you're supposed to get into or not, makes it really easy for you to understand what you're supposed to be doing. But it could be anything as far as a simple daily routine of shaking each cartridge every day to make sure that that ink is agitated, or taking something as simple that the machine comes with as cleaning solution and cleaning swabs to just clean the maintenance areas, clean the print head, clean maybe the capping or maintenance station over here. That's just going to really help keep things moist and keep things running smoothly and capping properly. So whether it's as simple as this or maybe takes you a little bit longer on some of the larger pieces of equipment, it's very essential that you stay within the parameters of the warranty and the daily routines of your maintenance. So check back with us later. We're going to go way more in depth on this and actually get into some of that action. Catch you later.